Same as injection molded component, ZL series can easily cut 3D printed ABS. It's no problem for cutting support materials and bars, but when you cut the body part, you may need power for cutting if it's thicker than 3mm. For that, long blade ZH10 or square blade ZH41 may be supportive. If you are concerned of plastic melting apart where you cut, thin blade ZH14 or thin long blade ZH16 are recommended for preserving it. ASA has a constitution similar to ABS and it has a high weather resistance. It can cut with ultrasonic cutter ZL series, but because it melts bigger when you cut thicker than 2mm and that melted part impedes blade progressing, thin blade ZH14 is recommended for body cut. Of course, there's no problem for just cutting bars or support materials with standard blade. If you are concerned about plastic sticks on a blade, it can be cleaned by turning ultrasonic on and taking it with metal tool or by cutting something material. You may feel 3D printed resin is a little bit hard to cut its body compared with other types. Even though the material is thermoplastic, ultrasonic cutter ZL series cutting speed and required power level changes depending on its hardness and thickness. However, there is no matter for cutting support material and removing bars for ultrasonic cutter ZL series even the parts angularly hard to cut. To make smooth your works, let's get an ultrasonic cutter ZL series.